Now we are going to learn grouping. Students, look at the picture. What is this? Yes, it is a picture of tailor shop. What are the things you see in this picture? You can see some hangers, shirts, bottles of buttons, scissors, etc. How many bottles of buttons are there? Yes, there are 6 bottles of buttons. On seeing the picture itself, you can be able to count it correctly, isn't it? Obviously, we can count the objects when it is arranged in group. Let us discuss in detail. Group the words that begin with the same letter and count them. Students, look at the picture. See the words. Here, they have given some words starting with A, B and C. We want to group the words beginning with the A, B and C separately. Let's see the words starting with A. Ant, ape, apple, axe. How many words are there? 4 words. The starting with B, what are the words are there? Bat, bear, book. How many words? 3 words. The third one, the words starting with C. Cake, car, carrot, cat, cow. How many words starting with the letter C? Yes, 5 words. Now we are going to group the objects by counting the numbers by tens and ones. If we are grouping by 10, we are getting 3 tens and the 4 ones are left, so you have to write it in the ones place. So the number is 34. The total number of the object is 34. The second one, we have grouped by tens. So how many tens are there? 5 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. Total number of object is 56. Now the third one, you have to count the objects and group them by the tens and the remaining will be the ones. So first, how many groups of tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens are there? 4 tens. Is there any ones? Any object is left alone? No. So the ones is 0. So the number is 40. The next one, you have to count how many scissors are there and group them by tens and ones. How many tens are there? 1 tens and 8 ones. So the number is 18. So before going into the next topic, we want to know what is digits. A digit is a symbol used to write the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are one digit number. 10, 11, 12 till 99. These are two digit numbers. Now we are going to see the place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. For example, the number 14, you have to see from left to right. First number is from left to right, the first number is 4. It's a ones position and the next one is 1. It's in the tens position. So we can say 1 as 110 or 10. 4 as 4 ones or 4. Here we will see the story of Chinnu and Minnu. Now see, Chinnu's mother is calling Chinnu, Minnu, bring 42 carrots. Chinnu says on his right side he have bundles of 10 carrots. Minnu says on his left side he have loose carrots. Now Chinnu has placed 4 bundles of carrots and 2 loose carrots. Minnu placed 2 bundles and 4 loose carrots. The mother is asking who is correct. Chinnu said, I took 42 and Minnu said, no, I have taken 42. Let's see how. Let us learn about the place value of a digits in number using the above situation. How many carrots has a mother has to take? How many carrots? 42. Chinnu took how many bundles? 4 bundles. Yes, bundles of 10 carrots. Each bundle contains 10 carrots, so 4 bundles. It is 4 tens or 40. How many single carrots he has brought? He has brought 2 single carrots. So 4 tens and 2 ones. So totally 42. We can see one example. In the number 48, 8 is at the ones place and 4 is at the tens place. We have to see from left to right. So which is at the left side? 8 is at the left side, first one, so it is in the ones position, and the 4 is at the right side, it is in the tens position. So 8 is the ones and 4 is the tens. Let us practice. They have given the number, you have to write the place value. For example, the number 23 is written as 2 tens, 3 ones, isn't it? Like this, the 16 in 16. How many ones are there? 6 ones, 1 10. In 55, 5 tens, 5 ones. 74, 7 tens, 4 ones. 92, 9 tens, 2 ones. In 31, 3 tens, 1 1. Now we can learn the place value by using the abacus. We will count how many beads are there by arranging them in the abacus. In abacus contains tens and ones place. First see the beads. They have given 3 tens, that is 30. So in the tens place you have to arrange 3 beads. And in the ones loose beads they have given how much? 1, 2, 3, 3. So the ones place you have to arrange 3 beads. So totally the number is 33. Look at the picture. In this picture they have given 3 columns. First column contains beads, second column is abacus, and the third column is the numbers. You have to see the beads and count it, and you have to arrange it in the abacus, and you have to write the numbers. First one, see here, they have given 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. 30 ones or 3 tens. So in the tens place, how many beads you have to arrange? You have to arrange 3, and you have to write 3. How many loose beads are there? In the ones place we have 4 beads. So the fourth ones place you have to write number 4. In the numbers column you have to write 3 tens, 4 ones, that is 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. Totally how many beads are there? 34. I have done the second and third sum. You can go through that sums.